Hurry up so we go to Dairy Queen.
Aren't you guys gonna buckle up?
Nah, we're too cool for that.
Yeah, Devin.
What would you guys do? Put your seatbelts on.
Great, Mom's gonna be mad now.
We should listen to Devin.
Good afternoon. My name is Kenneth Jenkins. I'm the Deputy Chief at the Las Vegas Police Department. Do you know why I stopped you?
Because they weren't wearing their seatbelts.
Yes, you weren't wearing your seatbelt. Very important for all you guys to be wearing your seatbelt. Wearing a seatbelt is very crucial to you and everybody else. Many people die every year from not wearing a seatbelt. If you don't buckle up, you can become a weapon to someone and severely hurt them or yourself. Please wear your seatbelt. It's the law. Thank you, and remember, click it or ticket.
I came to dance, 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 dance. I hit the floor 'cause that's my plans. I'm wearing all my favorite brands.